All right, kiddos, I am going to go over this paragraph on Grandparents' Day with you, which was in the grade book. Some of you did extremely well. Some people needed a little more help with this. So please pay attention to what I do. We're kind of doing it together. Grandparents' Day, it says you're looking for errors in capitalization, punctuation, spelling, or grammar. And remember, you are looking for 10 errors, which makes this 10 points. Also, don't forget your editing sheet. We need to use those correct symbols. So kind of pay attention to how I do that for you. Okay, here we go. Marion McQuaid, a woman in West Virginia, wanted a day to honor grandparents and the contributions of seniors in general. I'm just going to take it sentence by sentence here. A couple of things that come to my mind. But we pull those words together is kind of like that, kind of like you're circling or hugging those words together. All right, back to the text here. She asks for help from the U.S. Senator Jennings Randolph. Well, I know that this is past tense, so asks needs to be asked. From the U.S. Senator Jennings Randolph. Senator is part of his name, so we are going to capitalize Senator. Now, I did notice that some people wanted to add like an A here. Why not? I would take that. That's not one of the 10 errors, but I don't think there's anything wrong with that, with adding America there. Okay, it took 8 years. Nope, 8 years. Misspelled word. We circle those so they jump out at us, jump out at our eyes so we can see to make those changes. But in 1978, President Jimmy Carter finally declared Grandparents' Day a national holiday. I can see right there, that is the end. I can hear and see that's the end of a sentence. I like to circle the ending marks when they're added, so also they jump out at our eyes so we can see them. Since then, families have celebrated it every September on the Sunday after Labor Day. Okay, I see a couple things right here. Families. This shows possession, like my family's backyard. We're just looking for plural, okay? So we need to change that Y to an I and add ES. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. Get out of there. Okay. And there's our S. Sorry. Celebrated does not need to be capitalized, so we put a slash through it. Every is spelled wrong, extra E in there. September, of course, needs to be capitalized. It's the month. On the Sunday after Labor Day. On this holiday, make sure to thank older adults who have a special place in your life. Special. Even if you just circle it, that allows the writer or you to look up the correct spelling later. I do like the way this paragraph ends. I like how it says, make sure to thank older adults. Not everybody is lucky to have grandparents, but there are older adults around us that have special places in our life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got it. Cool.